The family dinner table was a battleground of expectations. Mr. Thompson sat at the head, his attire crisp and formal, praising Lucas for his exemplary grades. Ethan, sitting next to his brother, stared at his plate, visibly distressed as the weight of unspoken comparisons bore down on him. Lucas shifted uncomfortably, aware of the tension but unable to bridge the growing chasm. Later, the brothers faced off in their shared bedroom. Lucas, neat and composed, tried to motivate Ethan using the same high standards that fueled his own success. But Ethan, disheveled and frustrated, snapped. The room echoed with their clashing voices, one driven by the desire to meet expectations, the other suffocating under them. A strained silence took over the living room in the evening. Ethan sat in a corner, seething in his solitude. Lucas mirrored him from across the room. Their parents watched in casual evening attire, exchanging worried glances. The tension seemed insurmountable. Mr. and Mrs. Thompson huddled in their study, engaged in a heated discussion. Mrs. Thompson's concerned eyes contrasted with her husband's stern resolve. She argued for understanding Ethan's struggles, while he demanded improvement. The parental divide mirrored the growing gap between their sons. Salvation came in the form of Miss Clark, a patient and kind tutor. She arrived to help Ethan. Her supportive approach began to melt the ice around Ethan's academic struggles, gradually lifting his spirits and grades. As Ethan's grades showed signs of improvement, a moment of camaraderie blossomed between him and Lucas. A fleeting but warm moment. Lucas's initial jealousy gave way to genuine happiness for Ethan, hinting at a possible reconciliation. A celebratory dinner marked the family's recognition of both sons' achievements. They praised Lucas and Ethan equally, fostering a rare positive atmosphere. The brothers returned to their room, where a heartfelt conversation unfolded. They acknowledged past mistakes, expressing support and a desire for a fresh start in their study. Mr. and Mrs. Thompson reflected thoughtfully on their parenting methods. They recognized the harm of their previous expectations and vowed for a more balanced approach. The brothers' relationship continued to bloom. The brothers play a chess game together, showing their improved relationship. A community charity run saw the family in matching t-shirts, their teamwork and unity on display for all to see. Ethan stood before his school, delivering a heartfelt speech about his journey. Lucas watched proudly, their bond evident and unspoken. The two brothers enjoy dinner together, symbolizing the harmony, understanding, and new love between them. Remember the importance of brotherly bonding. Don't forget to like and subscribe.